One such company making headlines is Human Microbes, which is offering a remarkable $500 compensation to eligible donors for their stool samples. Can you imagine if you make $500 per sample, which means you can make around $180,000 per year? If you want to be a donor, watch full video, as we are going to be sharing the process. In recent years, the study of the human microbiome has sparked immense interest in the scientific community. Researchers have discovered the profound impact of gut bacteria on our overall health and well-being. To further their understanding, various research institutions and medical companies are offering incentives for individuals to contribute their valuable stool samples for research and fecal microbiota transplantation (FMT) studies. The human body is teeming with trillions of microbes, collectively known as the human microbiome. These microscopic organisms reside mainly in our gut, playing a crucial role in digestion, immunity, metabolism, and even mental health. Imbalances in the gut microbiota have been linked to various health conditions, such as inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, and even certain mental health disorders. As the potential of FMT gains recognition, research institutions and medical companies are seeking stool donors to advance their studies. The demand for diverse and healthy stool samples is high, leading to attractive compensation offers to encourage more individuals to participate. Becoming a stool donor for Human Microbes. If you're interested in contributing to the cutting-edge research of human microbes, there are certain steps to follow. Eligibility criteria. Check the eligibility criteria on the Human Microbes website or contact them directly. Age, health, and lifestyle factors may influence your qualification. Health assessment. Fill out a detailed health questionnaire to ensure you meet the required health standards. Medical screening. Undergo medical screenings, including blood tests and stool sample analysis, to evaluate your suitability as a donor. Consent and agreement. Review and sign consent forms, fully understanding the commitment and responsibilities involved in being a stool donor.